So this is a video on your assignment number 25. In assignment number 24, we were working with brackets. I have done simple type of sums based on our brackets. I'm going to the second part of it where I take a more complicated sum. So an example is here for us. Now in this question, you can see that I have four types of brackets. I have the bar bracket here, I have the common bracket here, I have the curly bracket here, and then the box bracket. Now we have to follow this sequence whenever we are doing any sum. Bar bracket, then the common bracket, curly brackets, and then followed by the box bracket. So I will take it one at a time. So let's go to the solving of this part. Remember, I'm supposed to work with the bar bracket first. So the rest of them remain the same. 3b minus 2a plus 9b. Now till here everything remains the same. I'm going to work this part out. If I look at it, in front of the bar bracket I have a minus sign. That means the signs are going to change. So 3a here becomes minus 3a and minus 2b becomes plus 2b. So it becomes minus 3a plus 2b. So you can see that the bar bracket is out. The next will be our common bracket. So outside the common bracket I have a plus sign. So 6a plus 3b minus 2a. Now this is what I'm going to work with. Plus sign outside, signs remain the same. So plus 9b minus 3a plus 2b. So after completion of this line, I can see that the common bracket is out. Now I work with the curly bracket. So I get 6a plus 3b. Outside the curly bracket, I have a minus sign. That means the signs are going to change. So minus 2a minus 9b plus 3a minus 2b. Next one, I have the box bracket to work with. Outside the box bracket, I have a plus sign. So signs don't change. So this remains as plus 3b minus 2a minus 9b plus 3a minus 2b. All the brackets are out now. So what I do is I get the like terms together. Now when I get the like terms together, I take the positives first. So I've got like terms a. So here I have 6a plus 3a. So that gives me 9a. Sorry. That gives me 9a. What happened? 9a. And in the negative, I have minus 2a. So I'll keep that. I'll take the next like term, that is b. Now if you look at b here, I've got plus 3b. That's the only positive one for us. In the negative, I have minus 9 and minus 2. That will give me minus 11b. So working this out, 9a minus 2a will give me 7a. And working this part out, 3 minus 11 will give me minus 8, and then I have b. So these two are unlike terms. I cannot work any further. Moving on to another example. Let's take an example here. In this sum, I've got three types of brackets. I have the bar bracket, I have the common bracket, and then I have the box bracket. But if you look at it very carefully, you will find that outside the bar bracket I have a 2. So whenever I have a number in front of the bracket, without any signs, I understand that this 2 here is multiplying the whole thing. But I begin my sum with the bar bracket. So 7x minus 2 times 5y minus x. Now this is what I'm working on. I have a plus sign outside the bar bracket. Signs will remain the same. So this remains as plus y minus x. My next step is to work out the common bracket. So 7x minus 2 times 5y. Now either I can just open up the bracket by changing the signs, or if you look at the common bracket carefully, you will find a plus x and a minus x here. These two can straight away be cancelled. So inside the common bracket, I'm left with plus y. I have a minus sign outside. That means when I open this bracket, this plus y will become minus y. So the common bracket is gone. Next, I have to work with the box bracket. I have 7x minus 2 times. Now if you look at the box bracket, again I have two like terms here. I can do the subtraction. 5y minus y will give me 4y. Next step, 7x. Now in a case like this, minus 2 is multiplying 4y. So minus 2 into 4y will give me minus 8y. I cannot go any further because these two are unlike terms. So when you're doing brackets, keep in mind that you have to follow the sequence where you are going to work with the bar bracket first, followed by the common bracket, then the curly bracket, and finally the box bracket.